You're right there, Mark from 6 Plus here, showing you a solution to a problem a lot of you may have. And that is, I've got a lot of models I need to base. However, the bases for them are slotted. Now, how do I fill in the bases most expediently, cheapest, and just easiest to do it? And I'll show you with 4 simple items. Masking tape, a sharp crafting blade, glue sticks, and a glue gun. I'll catch you in a minute and I'll show you how this all works. Alright, and we're back. As you can see here, I've done a bit of Blue Peters behind the scenes. I've got things ready. Now, all you got to do with these ingredients, okay, the knife, is to cut the masking tape. All you're going to do is cut the masking tape into strips. Get your bases, clean them up as much as you wish. You need to make sure they sit flush on the masking tape. So you need to push it down into the masking tape to make sure it sits nice and flush. Because we're going to pour, basically, the hot glue into the slots. Now, the reason why I say you want to make sure it's as flush as possible, the last thing you want to do is pour the hot glue and it spills out. Because some bases sometimes come with these little knob bits that stick out. So get your knife, very carefully, just remove it. That's all you got to do. There you go. Like you're removing a mold line or anything off your models, whatever you're doing. Please, please be careful. Don't want anyone getting any injuries. There you go. Done. Okay. That's it. Make sure it's nicely pushed down. Then you get your hot glue. Make sure it's up to temperature. Shove it in the slot. Squeeze it. Run it along. Just want to make sure it's a good coat across the whole slot. There you go. Now, let it cool down. You will have some strands to one side. It's normally going to happen. Okay? So this is one I've done earlier. You can see how quickly those 4 filled in. Peel it off. Peel it off. Peel it off. Reason why you use masking tape instead of regular tape, masking tape, you can actually peel it off. There you go. Now some bits you can see didn't go all the way down. Okay. Other bits did. Now the more you push the glue in, the deeper it will go down. Now the thing is, this isn't really going to do any difference whatsoever. Unless you want a really smooth top, then really push that glue down. You can, by all means, go along the top and apply a little bit of the glue on the top if you really want to. But you're just making it a more long-winded process doing that. Because if you do sand, texture paste, whatever, you're going to cover up those slots anyway. So it's not the end of the world. You're basically using this to fill in the slot as much as possible, that when you put the model on, you paint it, base the model, you haven't got a nasty slot that you're trying to fill in afterwards. Now this method I find so much quicker than trying to get some form of paper or anything, cut it to the right shape, glue it on, let the glue dry, blah 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 blah. This does the job. And it adds a little bit of weight to the base. But there you go. Easy as that. Just a little bit of cleanup on the bottom. Just be careful. And you're all good to go. But yeah, nice, quick, easy video. Hope this has been informative for you lot. And just to show you how quick it is, they're ready to go. In that time that I was talking to you, they're ready to go. Okay? But anyway, as always, if you've enjoyed the content, please like, comment, subscribe. Very much appreciated. Going to be bringing out more content going forward. Affiliate links, Patreon, everything is down below. By all means, if you want to support the channel outside of YouTube, please go and have a look through there. But anyway, you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.